Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable link preview in Firefox. First thing you do is open up your Firefox app, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on open links in apps, then tap on always or ask before opening. That is how to enable link preview in Firefox. Though it is not traditionally link preview, it will allow Firefox to direct you to those links. It's as simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.